Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's back to school hairstyles and I'm here to share with you my daughters. I have two girls. My oldest is a freshman in high school and my youngest is just starting first grade. So both of them are starting. One is high school and the other one is first grade. And I'm so excited. So today we are going to make back to school hairstyles for the two of them. And guess what? My oldest chose this hairstyle and my youngest wanted the same hairstyle. And I'm like, okay, let's do it. So this is the style she wanted. And even though it's made with fake hair, but watch me turn this style into something beautiful with her natural hair. I make all their hair without any extensions, no fake hair, but we still achieve the same results and we keep our hair healthy and we keep our scalp healthy as well. So, my name is Mfon. Welcome back to my channel. And I use hair making to bond with my children, and it's an opportunity to take care of their hair, take care of my kids, and I'm grateful to God that I'm able to do this. As a girl who grew up the only girl among six brothers, I couldn't make hair from anywhere, but I learned from the scalp or heads of these two girls, my oldest and my youngest. And I have four kids. She is my oldest, and I have two boys in the middle, and my youngest is my last one. So I am a blessed woman. I'm a blessed mother. And growing up as a kid, I went through a lot of trauma in the hands of my mom. So one of it was my hair. My mom used to say mean things about my hair. I mean, I have a thick hair, but she would say that my head is too big. So I told myself, I am going to do better. I am going to use nice words, encourage my girls to take care of their hair, to love their hair, to take care of themselves, to be happy with what God has blessed them with. And I've been taking care of these girls' hair from when they were babies. And my youngest daughter's hair is very long. And my oldest daughter's hair is long as well. I mean, she is a teenager now. She does, take care of her hair sometimes. But I'm responsible for taking care of my youngest daughter's hair. And I'm so grateful with how God has been blessing my hands. I mean, with using natural ingredients to take care of our hair, making sure that our scalp is healthy and our hair is growing long and voluminous and very healthy. So this is an opportunity to take care of my girls, bond with them, talk, laugh, play. So at this point, we are done with the twist at the back. So we are going to be making cornrows in the front. As you can see, the hair is half up and down. So I never learned how to cornrow before. I started when she was a baby, when she was like 6 months old. I started playing with her hair, and that's how I perfected my craft. I have never watched a YouTube video before on how to braid or cornrow hair. I just did it because I usually see people do it. I just make mistakes, undo it, redo it, and unlearn, relearn. That is how I did it. And I believe, when you have kids, you should be open to learning how to take care of them in different ways. And let me tell you, I can make any style, no matter how it is and how difficult it is, using fake hair with my kids' natural hair. And I'm so blessed to say that, and I'm so thankful that God has given me the wisdom. My daughter say I have gifted hands, and I think she's right. I have gifted hands. So I told myself I'm going to take care of my girl's hair, making sure that it is healthy. And I'm done with one side. We move over to the next side, and that's how we roll. So, liking the video so far, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. This channel, we talk about healthy parenting, and it is really a passion of mine to undo the unhealthy parenting that we were raised with. And well, not everybody, some of us. This channel is focused on helping parents to raise healthy children, establishing healthy relationship with them, making sure they are doing the right thing, and not be the one to hurt their children. I was hurt by my mother, and that left me with lots of traumas. So in this channel, we also talk about trauma, emotional healing, how to be better, making your kids to be happy, like the way my daughter is happy and laughing and, being taken care of by a mother. I mean, when she goes to school, people will be surprised. Are you kidding me? Did your mom make this hair? Yes, I'm the one that is her hairstylist, and she has been rocking her hair, natural hair, just the way it is. And she's beautiful. My girls are so beautiful. So I am thankful for this opportunity to make it right, to raise healthy children, to take care of their hair, to take care of them in different ways. So we are done with the hairstyle. Look at that. Isn't she beautiful? So she's going to put age control, and this is how the final look is. Isn't she gorgeous? She's beautiful. So I'm grateful to be a mother. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. And this is my youngest daughter, and we are making the same style for her hair. And my oldest one, we learned how to make hair this summer, and look at her helping mama, helping with our little sister, and it made the work to be easy on me, and we were faster. So she helped with the twist, and I took care of the cornrow. So that's how we bond together as family. We take care of each other, we help each other out, and that is what I teach in this channel. Raising healthy children, being a healthy parent. Seek help and heal from your childhood trauma so that you raise healthy children. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you so much for your support. And also, let me know in the comments, do you know how to braid or conroll your kids' hair? If that is the video you're looking for, let me know, and we are going to do that very soon, teaching mothers how to conroll their kids' hair and how you can just move your hands or turn your fingers the way it will be easy for you. And let me tell you, if you take care of your kids' hair, it will give it volume, because you're going to be gentle. You're going to be gentle with the way you're taking care of it compared to taking them to the salon. So that's how we roll. We love each other. We take care of one another. And let me tell you, this girl is growing. She is in first grade, and she let me do this style. She doesn't really like hairstyles that are stressful. This is to show that she's growing to ask for this kind of hairstyle. And it was an opportunity to make it for her because she asked for it and she did great. So we are done. And I'm so excited. Look at our hair. So full, so beautiful. And I'm so proud to say that I have been taking care of her hair ever since I did a big chop on her when she was 1. And now she is a happy, beautiful little first grader. And I'm so proud of her. Isn't she beautiful? So this is the thickness of our hair. It's very full and thick. And here we are going to style our hair. And look at that beauty. She's happy now. So we put bead on the side. gonna pick up the side and make it up and down. She wanted it to look like a messy bun, but with a braided hair. And look at that. Isn't she pretty? I went ahead and put hair tie, a pink hair tie on it, and look at that smile. I hope you loved this video. If you do, give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and these are my babies. If you want to know what I use on their hair, I encourage you to watch the video on the screen. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Take care.